Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Bethany and I am one busy mama. So I'm trying to use first impressions on some of the things that I hauled, and one of the things that I really wanted to try that I recently got was JUVIA'S place. This one and the violet. So today we are going to do this beautiful Nomad palette. If you want to see what look I am going to try to create using this beautiful JUVIA'S place, then keep watching. Okay, so Nomad, and I love like the design. Everything is very African themed, and again it reflects the same as the outside package. And here are the colors. So pretty. I mean, I really was loving this yellow, and I've just heard that all of JUVIA'S place is really pigmented and very nice. So look at the picture there too. I love it. So what I'm thinking, since this is just an eye look, I'm not focused on the face, I think maybe we'll do one eye look here and then another eye look here. Just because I'm obsessed with using every color in the pan. So I'm definitely gonna do a yellowish one, and then maybe we can do sort of the other cool tones. So I have more brushes that are new. I've never used Real Techniques, and I did get these on sale. So I'm going to be using these. So this is the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. This is the face one, but you could probably use it for whatever you want. And this is what it looks like. And it says RT 210. So that's that. Very nice, very dense brush. I mean, you could do this under eye concealer type brush. Maybe we'll use it to set the eyes. How about that? So that's that. It says use with liquid or cream concealers. Expert concealer. Right there. So I had the right idea. And then I got these other 4 brushes. It is the base Flawless base set with brush storage. So it comes with a storage. And we'll use those. And it has a contour brush, a detailer brush, buffing brush, and a square foundation brush. Since we're not doing foundation, probably won't use it, but I wanted to use some of these. So let's take it out, and it comes with this. So that's that, and let's see if these brushes have names. Here are all 4, very similar to this one, just different color. So they do have by Sam and Nick. Oh yep, on the back it says square foundation brush. And they are very nice. You can see like some powder coming off, so I like to wipe them off with a wipey first. And then this is the contour brush, nice puffy. We probably won't use that, but maybe we can use it for highlighting. You never know. And then this is the detail brush, very nice. All right, this is not about brushes. This is the buffing brush, but I'm using new products, so very nice. Okay, so in my last video, we did some Essence brushes, which are right here. I just washed these last night. These are very nice too. I really love them, and I'll probably use the blending one to blend out because it did amazing. but I also use the Wet n Wild sponge, so let me wet that. Okay, I got my sponge wet, and you can see it's bouncy, much more bouncy than the first time, so maybe it just gets bouncier. And it does have that flat side, and it's still very cute, so it's ready to go. So we're gonna prime the eyelids. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in Light Sand. And this concealer is perfect for setting down your eyelids and as concealer. So we're gonna use that Real Techniques one, the 210, it's for concealer. And this doesn't have a mirror, so let me grab a mirror. Even though it's a small mirror, it'll work, so. Okay, so I will say that this brush is very, very nice for getting into those little corners. And I was wiping off with the wipey, but I think I want to go back in with the sponge. Really nice. Okay, so we have our base for our eyes. Let's do our brows. And for the brows, I'm gonna use this essence that we used in the previous video. This is just in the color brown. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, so there we go. The first color, I'm gonna set both sides. I don't know if you guys can see the pigment. There is barely any kick up in the pan. So that's the first time I've ever seen that. So you can see a little bit. Barely. Okay, so on this side, we're gonna do the yellow. And I'm just gonna point through and fast forward. So this is not gonna be a long video. I put in the middle, I'm gonna swatch all the colors that I used. And then I'm gonna put them. So here is the yellow shimmer, the mustard color. See, they're very similar. And then we have this turmeric type color. And then we have that base beige. Those are the four. This mustard color right on the middle part of the lid. So for this side, since this side is done, I'm just gonna put eyeliner and mascara at the end. For this side, we're gonna get into some of these colors. So we already had the base. Let's swatch the rest of the colors on the other side. So we have this olive color. We have this deep gray. It's almost black. We have this brownish green. We have a chocolate color. That was a bad swatch. Okay. And then we have this shimmer right in the middle. So let's put it up here. Oh, that. So those are the swatches that are left, and those are the ones we did. Let's do these here, and then maybe we can line over there and then put that gold shimmer, okay? Wow. Into this olive. Ooh. Okay, I know I said I was gonna try to use just a few colors on this side, but I think if we bring some of that yellow in, it'll kind of brighten it up. I'm gonna take this orange cumin color underneath. And on the center of the lid, I'm gonna pop this gold shimmer. It's so pretty. The formula is amazing. So I'm gonna finish up with the eyeliner and mascara, and I'm gonna use the Lash Princess, the false eye effect over here, because I really wanna try these out, and then the volumizing one over here, like we did last time. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have a lot of glitter from that last shimmer that I did. And so you could see. And again, this is the Lash Princess False Effects, and then the volumizing one. I am loving how this Juvia's Place Nomad came out. I will have to like experiment some more on like use of colors, because again, I'm so new to using color, but I love the yellow and the orange. I'm sure you could do yellow and green, and the orange and the green. That would be nice too. So what do you guys think? I love it. Let me know down in the comment section, and I will respond back, because you know I love to chat. But if you haven't already, like this video, and if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. It means so much. And as always, stay safe, guys.